Hey Diva Dolls, this is your girl ChrystalChanel. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, stop what you're doing, subscribe. If you've been here for a while, then hey girlfriend, hey, I missed you. But today I am showcasing my very own boutique. You already know I have my own boutique and I'm super excited to share some looks from LuxeVain. These looks are perfect for spring and summer. They're gonna show you body, they're gonna give you color, like I live for it, okay? So if you wanna see what it is that I picked up, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, let me get started, and I'm just gonna apologize in advance. A lot of these styles are sold out. I've been trying to restock, but the girls on Instagram and on LuxeVain's email list, they are on it, honey. So with that being said, let's get into this haul. I absolutely love this dress. This is the Sheer Sin Snake mini dress, like midi dress. It goes down to like your calves to your ankles. Get it, girl. As you can see, I feel really sexy in this dress because it is kind of sheer and it does come with a built-in bodysuit. I'm wearing all these dresses in a size medium because they stretch. One thing about LuxeVain is you are going to get a dress that stretches. So sometimes you can ignore the label size, okay? So again, really sexy dress. It's like actually a maxi dress. I think I said midi. It's like a maxi dress. It's so sexy because it's sheer and reptile print, and I absolutely love it. Now this dress, I was so surprised, y'all, because, you know, I'm a big curvy girl and I had a little back fat or whatever, but it doesn't look horrible with your back fat. Like, this dress actually is really flattering and it's super sexy. I love how you can kind of change up the look of it because these little strings you can kind of tie around however you want. You don't have to wear a bra because it's a halter top, so it does hold the girls up, which is really nice. I absolutely love the colors because hello, summer and spring is here, honey. So I'm super excited to dress these bright colors up, and I would just wear it with some flip-flops or even some clear heels. Again, I'm wearing a size medium, and this dress is super stretchy, so you can always size down, or if you don't wear, you know, a medium or large, you can always try the other size. Like, you don't have to pay attention to the label size. So this is one of my favorite dresses. This dress I love because the colors are so vibrant, y'all. Like, look at that purple, look at that orange. So this dress, actually, I have two styles. So that one is my Skittles ribbed dress, and this one, this is my berry tropical dress. So this one, both of these dresses remind me of Skittles, okay? So that's why I named them as such. But I love both of them. I could not decide. I kept one of each because they're super stretchy, very comfortable. You can wear them with some Air Ones if you want it, or you can wear it with some heels. It's really up to you. They're on a jean jacket. Like, this dress is so freaking cute. As you can see, again, I'm wearing a size medium because if it stretches, it fits. And yeah, y'all better get one of these because I think I actually have these in stock still. So again, if you wear a large, you can get a medium because they stretch. If you wear a medium, you can get a small because they stretch. Or you can just get your size. Now this one, y'all, this one is the one that I had sold out. Like, as soon as I posted it, I had a few more, so I added them to the website, and I'm not sure if there's any more left, but hey, this dress is so sexy. Look at the lace detail. So this is my cheetah girl dress. Shout out to the early 2000s. But yeah, this dress is so damn stretchy. It's not even funny, and it's so sexy. Again, you can kind of lift your girls up so you can go without a bra. I'm wearing a size medium, and this is a midi dress. It is supposed to hit you right below your knees, and it shapes you because it's thick material. It's not see-through. Like, y'all, the girls be on it. So if you love this haul, first of all, give me a thumbs up. Second of all, share this video with a friend. And third of all, make sure you go to shopluxevain.com so you can grab your own. If we are sold out though, like, not even like playing, if we are sold out, go to the website, leave your email, and I'll be sure to send out any restock emails right before they hit the site. That way you have a chance of getting the dress that you want. Now, this dress is the last dress of the haul. I had to grab it. I love it so much. Look at that neon. Look at that pink. This is a pink Picasso dress because, honey, you are serving art, honey. When you wear this, everybody's going to be looking at you. Like, this is such a pretty dress. It screams summer and spring, and I think you guys would like really look good in it on any skin tone. Okay, dolls, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up for real if you like these items I picked out. Again, these are from my boutique, LuxeVain. I will put the links to everything I picked up down below, as well as the sizes that I'm wearing them in. And you know, I have to hook up my dolls, right? You know I'm going to hook you up with a coupon code. So the code to use is YTFAM. That's my YouTube family special discount code, and you can use that all over the site. If you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, let's be friends, girl. Also on TikTok, and my name is at Chrissy the Doll. If you don't already subscribe to this channel, please stop what you're doing. Go ahead, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with a friend. I appreciate the support. This is how I keep my channel going and growing, is from you dolls. So thank you. I want to thank you dolls so much for rocking with your girl. This is something I love to do. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.